The best tip I can give you guys when it comes to edging up or lining up your beard, getting rid of all this hair right in through here, that is what we're talking about today. And I have to tell you, years ago when I had a barber shaving my head and grooming my beard and all that, like one time he asked me to do something and I was like, why are you asking me to do that? And this is what it is. This is the biggest tip and trick right here if you don't know about this. He said, push your cheek out like this. And I said, for what? And he said it helps make a much more sharp, even line when you're shaving if you don't want to get rid of all the hair down and through here. You want to keep a sharp line. And then he said, hold your cheek like that. And he used a razor. And when he was done, he pulled away. I saw a completely straight line right in through here. And he didn't touch any of this. And it was so sharp and perfect that the thing is when you do that, what happens is it kind of forces the hair all out and it expands it. So it makes it look a little fuller, and it also enhances and shows off where the line needs to be. Even if you don't have a solid line like this with your beard, if it's all sparse, if you're looking to create a super thick looking line, go like that, and then razor it down to where it creates one, and you can see it much better when you push your cheek out. So watch, let's do it right now. Sorry for getting all up and close with you guys, but I wanted to show you. Now, this is the first time I've ever tried doing this in front of a camera like this, but what I've done, as you can see, I've gotten rid of all this hair here, but we've kept this outline nicely right into here. Now, if I were to do it in front of a mirror on my own, yes, maybe I can get a little sharper, but the key is to push your cheek out like this and to do it, right? And also, I'm not using any shaving cream. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Push your cheek out, work your way down until you have that nice sharp line. And I have to tell you, when I do it on clients, it's a total lifesaver because I get their edges nice and sharp. That's it, everyone. Nothing special to this. Give it a shot. Let me know if that's something that, oh my gosh, Steven, finally, thank you so much. I'd love to know your feedback on this simple little trick when it comes to getting a sharp line on your beard. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.